What's going on YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2012 Nissan Versa hatchback. Now, that's what the cabin filter why is this thing turning? That's what the cabin filter looks like. A little strange looking deal. Now that's what the cover looks like when you get underneath the dash. Now the major thing that you have to do is get this out of the slot. There's nothing really up there but a little lock-in tab, so you don't really have to worry about that too much. So the number one thing that I do is I get those wrench right in between here and pull up to get this out of the slot, and then just pull up. So we'll go ahead and get right up underneath here, and this is it right here. This is the slot, and this is where I put the wrench, not wrench, but, and I pull that up out of the slot. And then just pull this right on out. Now, yes, it bends, and you got to bend it like that to get it out. And also, you got to do the same thing to get it in there. And that's how it comes out. So how I like to put it in is I grab just like this, kind of do it like that, and slide in. So just like, oh, there we go. Just like so. And you gotta go up. And once you get that in, you just bring that down and clip the top up in. So that's in the slot, and you clip that in, and it's really that simple. That's how you install a cabin filter on a 2012 Nissan Versa hatchback. Pretty simple installation. You can do it under a minute when you're not recording. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for viewing.